Well, ruckus broke out in the Maharashtra Assembly over the cancellation of reservation for Muslims in the state. The House was adjourned twice for 15 minutes and then once for an hour. Opposition leaders also burnt copies of the order cancelling the Muslim quota. Kamlesh Sutar is now joining us with more details. Kamlesh, is the opposition demanding a reinstatement of the quota or is simply looking for a reply from the government over reasons for doing so?
Well, Maha, the opposition is demanding calling back the GR, which was issued last week, which came after the mandatory time of 6 months had lapsed, and the opposition has been alleging that the government deliberately allowed the time to lapse, since the government, after it came to power, it was very much aggressive in getting the Maratha reservation passed. But on the same time, when the Muslim reservation was passed, the 5% Muslim reservation, the government didn't make any move to make a law of the ordinance that was promulgated 6 months before. And since the mandatory period of 6 months has lapsed, now the Muslim reservation in Maharashtra stands cancelled. A GR has been issued in that regard, and the opposition, the Congress and NCP unitedly, they burnt the copies of the GR that was issued outside the Assembly House and are demanding that the decision should be rolled back and Muslim reservation should be reinstated in the state. They are demanding a discussion on the issue on the floor of the House as well, but the government says that the opposition is just trying to politicize the issue and the matter still is sub judice, and there is no intention of any politics. So we'll see a lot of politics. This is just the second day of the Maharashtra Assembly today, and in days to come this issue is like to grow into full-blown political controversy.
Kamlesh, what will the strategy that the opposition will use in cornering the government over the issue, as you are saying that they are likely to continue with their protest in the Assembly?
Well, indeed, it's not only the Muslim reservation is one of the issues that the state government, that the opposition wants to corner the government on that issue. Also, the beef ban that has come in, that will also find mention in the opposition's strategy. The opposition also plans to question the government on that stand, because these two decisions, ban on beef and the withdrawal of Muslim reservations in Maharashtra, have come in just a couple of days' time, and that is what the opposition is trying to use as an ammunition against the government, saying that the government has a bias against the Muslim community and they are not going to let it go down. Just before the assembly session began, the newly elected president of Maharashtra Congress, Ashok Chavan, and the president of Mumbai Regional Congress Party, Sanjay Nirupam, made the stand clear that they will not allow the House to function till the decision is rolled back. So we'll see more action and more drama inside the House on these issues.
Kamlesh, many thanks for joining us with those details.